Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see in the title, it's a Fashionnova haul. I went over there and I copied me a couple of things for this fall and this winter coming up. Yeah, most of these things you can style them up, you can wear them any way you want to do. You can casually wear them, you can style them up and all that good stuff. If you want to see what I got from Fashionnova, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. But before you go, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys. Let's help your girl out on this channel. All right, guys, let's get into this video. All right, y'all, this is the first thing that I got from Fashionnova. It is a two-piece set. You guys will see the extra video right here, as always, from me, so you guys can see it all the way down. Yeah, I got this in a size small. I don't know what the name is, but you guys will definitely see it on the screen and the size that I got. Okay, so this is it right here. It's really cute. It's a brown color. I don't know what color brown I'm gonna call this. It's like an ash color brown, and it does come with the thumb hole right here on both sides, so you could do that. This is so freaking cute. It's really light. It won't keep you warm or anything like that. It's really light, so this kind of thing, you do need a little jacket and stuff like that. Here in Texas, anywhere that it's not a lot cold, you could definitely get away with this. Really cute. I like the fact that it has a slit right over here on the side. It's giving it a little bit of more extra sex in it. And this is just a full tie thingy. I didn't take it off, I just leave it there. I hate this kind of tie because they don't ever stay. So if you want, you can make it tighter, and then bring it around and just loop it on the side, you know, something like that. I really like this. Y'all see how I make my waist even smaller than what it is? This is so cute. I really don't want to talk too much because we have a lot of clothes that I need to show you guys. This is what the back is looking like. This is something you could definitely dress down or dress it up. You could put a Snickers on this, a waist jacket, or like a petticoat, something like that. You could put this on it, a little vest, put that on it, put a hat on and go run some errands. Or if you want, you could go ahead and dress this up, put a nice heel on this, put a nice booty on this. Baby, you are the talk of the town. This is so freaking cute. Simple but cute, like for real. I love this little detail that they put over here. I am in love with this. This is so freaking cute. Like I said, it's pretty light. Let me see. Might be a little bit see-through. If it is, guys, please let me know in the comment section. I'm not sure. It is very see-through. When I tried this on yesterday, when the clothes came yesterday and I was trying things on and I didn't wear a bra under, I noticed that these two girls right here were pointing to the word, but so if you are someone that don't like to wear excuse me, if you are someone that don't like to wear a bra, please put on a nipple cover with this one and you will be fine. So let's move on to the next one before we go overboard on this first one, because we love it. We really love it. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, y'all, this is this one right here. I really love me this. I love the two-piece. I have like a lot, like about maybe 4 of this two-piece now. Different style, different design from Fashionnova. They are so easy, quick to put on and get out of the house. You could wear this to work. You could wear this to a function. You could wear this to a baby shower, whatever you feel like going. This is a very good outfit to wear. It is this black and white, bunch of lines and stuff all over it. It is button. It does have 2 buttons right here on the hand. On the hand, you guys see the patterns and stuff on it right over there. I freaking love this. Is like, I like the length that it is. Who is it? Come on. Hi, baby. You okay? What happened? Yeah, excuse me, that's my son. Came back from school early today. That's last day of school, so he had to come say hi to mommy and complain about everything that happened in school today. But anyway, so yeah, this is this one right here. I really like it. I like the length, but I don't think the length with heels will work for me. Maybe if I have like those tiny mini micro what do you call it, heel, that will probably work with this, but I don't have any. All my heels are really high. They are high. Ooh, I have one, but it's not black. It's like pink that I got from Zara. It's two-piece set, as you guys can see. The heel, you could wear it like this, the way I'm dressed it right. Just drape it on top of a nice little crop top on the inside, a tank or a bralette or something like that. Or you could wear it button up as it is. Also, you could do that. A two-piece is something you need in your closet. Okay, easy, put on and get out. Okay, y'all, the next two-piece is this one right over here. We love this. This is long enough for a heel. Let's try and get our life together real quick. Let's see. Okay, so like that. Ooh, I wish it came with a belt. All right, y'all, this outfit, I can't say any better. I just needed them to, like, I've done this part that it won't be so like flipping up. You guys see how it's flipping up over here? Yeah, but other than that, this is gorgeous. The length is very much tall girl friendly. I really love this. Like I was saying, it's a little bit big for me. You guys see how the waist is, but it's nothing major that I can wear. Tops, I'll put a nice thin little belt with it if I feel like it. But other than that, this is such a very beautiful jacket. I could wear this to church. I could wear this to a function. I could wear this to a meeting. If you're going to a meeting or a church, make sure at least you wear something that's going to cover up your chest. Let's respect ourselves out here, okay? But yeah, this is so freaking cute. I love it. I love the simplicity of it. I love the fact that you can just zhuzh it off on your own and just have your own time playing with the colors. You could do gold, you could do silver, your accessory, your stuff. All right, y'all, to the next one. This is the next one. Damn, I feel like I pick some good outfit for y'all in this haul. Like, y'all need to go run, not walk. Like disappear, pew, to go order all these clothes. Like, what? This is an off-the-shoulder moment with a nice body oil, with a nice highlighter. Oh, let's put it right here. You're gonna be glistering. You're gonna enter the room and people are just gonna go blind for you. I need to stop. I really need to stop. But yeah, this is the next two-piece set. I really love this one too. Like, the fact that it's off the shoulder. I've been eyeing this shirt, this two-piece, a lot on their site, but they are always running out of my size. Like, all of y'all that wears a medium, respect yourself. Let us meet each other middle way, okay? Let us meet each other in a middle way. You feel me? Y'all just be buying every single medium, everything off the streets. Shoulder bay. It's not good like that. But anyway, I finally get my hand on this little two-piece. Like, ooh, girl, it has ruching on the side and also on the side. This is what the back is looking like. I really love this. Y'all let me know if it's see. I feel like it's a little bit see-through, but it's nothing a thong. Oh, commando can't, you know, can't do. But anyway, this is what this one is looking like. I really love this. This is so simple. It cinches you in on the waist. It is just so cute. I love the ruching part. Y'all know when I was buying it, I didn't even know it has this ruching on it until I'm trying to put it on right now, and I realized that the ruching on the side. Like, this is everything in some. This is a nice quick brunch. I don't think you can dress this down. Please don't dress this down. Wear a nice booty on this and a nice purse, and you are good to go. This is so freaking cute. I love everything. It's a mauve color, and it does have some kind of scrunchy thingy right here on the wrist, also on both wrists. And I love the sleeve right over here on the wrist. I love that. Simple but cute, classy and chic. All right, y'all, next one is this brown number right over here. We love it. Also a ripped material, stretchy. I got this in a small, so yeah, you know you gotta size down this one. This one has a lot of stretch on it and all that good stuff, all the way down to my wrist. Also, it is another two-piece. Like I said, I love the fact that it's open up like right here. It's not like straight up all the way down. Like it opens up and it only has 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons right over here. That says the pant. The pants goes all the way to your neck if you want it to. Okay. It is very stretchy, tall girl friendly, and it does have a slit right here on the side, as you guys can see over there, and also on the side right here. You guys will see the video over here. But yeah, this is really simple v-neck situation. Give you a little bit of cleavage. You can wear this during the fall, during this winter, during the spring, and all that good stuff. This is really cute, and if you have to wear it now, you might want to layer it, okay, because it's thick but it ain't that thick, okay. And a little bit see-through, I'm not sure, but if it is, y'all let me know in the comment section. But this is really cute, simple. You feel like you gotta dress this up because of the cut, but you can wear sneakers with this too. I think it will work with this, but for me, I feel like I would definitely be dressing this up with a nice booty, with a nice heel, gold purse, gold accessory, everything with this one. I think it's so freaking cute. I love it. If you wear it small, you might want to go for extra small. So this company nowadays, some of them don't carry extra small as much anymore. They just always start from small and then go up the size. This is what the back is looking like. I love it. I love the way it just like stay on my waist, and it just like literally cinch me in on the waist. I love that for me. All right, y'all, we got this black number right here. If you watch a couple of my, I think sometimes last year, I have this in like a tan white color, and I've been trying to get my hands on this black one. Ooh, but Fashionnova has always been sold out of this damn two-piece, but I'm glad I'm able to get my hands on it. So this one is such a beautiful blazer two-piece set. This is so freaking cute. Y'all see the shoulder pad? Do y'all see the shoulder pad? I'm flying. I am flying. That shoulder pad is shoulder pad. It's really thick right here on the shoulder pad, and it's also a V, a deep V. Has hook and eye right here, and it's also see-through right here on the side. If you guys can, like a, I'm not gonna say see-through. I'm gonna say like a net situation right over there. Let me show you guys, because I'm wearing something on the inside. So this is how it is without me wearing the stuff under. It does have like a opening right here on the side, but it's mesh situation all the way to the back. I just don't feel like taking off that because that serves as my bra today. Let's try and see if y'all could see it. Okay, yeah, that is what it is. Y'all could still see the black thingy, but it's okay. It has mesh all around it. Really freaking cute. Okay, the pant is all the way to the ground and dragging. I'm on my tippy freaking toe right now, and it's freaking dragging on the floor. Love this. Classy, it's chic, it's cute. Honestly, for real, it's very deep. So and the reason why, for me, I will be wearing a tank at the bottom of this for me to be able to wear it and be comfortable. Yeah, so we love this. We want this. You see this? We love it. We want it. We like it. Okay. So yeah, man, this haul has been one of the best hauls for me. Okay. I love it. It's so freaking cute. Oh, this is the pants right here. Also, a good old high waisted, a little snug, you know, on my hips. a little snug on my hip, but that's expected. We got big hips and we got big butts, so we can't help that, but we freaking love it. I love it. I love this. The last thing we got in the series of the two-piece, it is this beautiful mauve, pink, purple, whatever it is, color that it is this. Tell me this ain't the best thing for me to say for the last for y'all to see. Like, this is a very cute little two-piece set. Really nice, classy, chic, church, business, friendsgiving, Christmas friends, Christmas, whatever y'all want to call it. This is a perfect outfit for you to wear. If you ain't got nothing yet to wear for Christmas, go ahead and order this. Or you ain't got nothing yet to wear for the 31st, I say go order this. This is really cute. The back is long. It's like a high-low situation. The back is a little long past my butt, and this is like literally right over here. This is so cute. It does come in different color, and we love that because guess what? We're gonna own it in as many colors as we can get. We're gonna own it in it, but this is so freaking beautiful though. I love the color. I love the way it fit me. It's like I was standing there. And they were just measuring me and be like, yep, that's the waist, that's the tight, that's the leg, that's everything about this. Like, it fits her just to the T. It does have tiny little bit of stretch to it, but it will fit you. Just stay your size. Like I said, it's a two-piece and it's buttoned up. You can wear it anyway. If you want, you could crop it. If you want, you could tuck it all the way in. If you want, you could tuck one side and leave the other. Endless possibility, okay? The pants, y'all know that the pants got to be high-waisted. Like, it's literally covering all the scar on my stomach. Like, it is covering it, and I love it. It does have like the stretchy thingy at the back, but the front is like just regular band. You see the length. The yards just, no, for real. Please don't fall again, because I'm about to cry if you fall again. You feel me? Okay? But yeah. Oh, excuse me. Y'all see the length? I'm standing on my toe. On the tip of my toe. Where my nails is where I am standing right now. And it's still covering it all the way down. Like I told you guys, they ain't never, ever make a leg that is the same. Ever. Y'all see how much down this one is, and this one's a little bit hanging on the top. But we don't mind it. It doesn't have a pocket at the bottom part. This is the back. Y'all just see that. Ooh. Cute. So yeah, this is really cute. It does have a pocket right here on the shirt area. You could just go ahead, wear this kind of tank at the bottom and just leave it open like this. You could just do your regular bra. You could wear a lacy bodysuit under this and you are good to go. Like for me, I'm just gonna wear it like this with a nice tank on the bottom and just leave it open like that. Do like maybe 3 stacked necklace. These ones are good, but then get one that is like right here in the middle. Do some stack ring, nice watch, ring, and just get yourself looking cute. Yeah, we love that for us though, for real. We really love that for us. This is what the back is looking like, and the shirt does have a little slit right here on the side on both sides. All right, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe also, guys. That will also help your girl out here on YouTube. Everything you guys see me on today will definitely be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back, and stay tuned for part 2.